Is it loud? Sissy, stay over here. You like it? Ooh, those are my favorite, Sissy. Do you want me to take you to Grandma? Hey, love it. Oh my God, it's over here. Wow! Oh my goodness. Tell Danielle to turn her lights off.
Yeah. Turn the lights off. Look!
Ooh, I like those ones. Can you tell them to turn the lights off?
Can you turn the lights off? Can you turn the lights off? Can you turn the lights off?
We're not going to.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh, that's like fire, Sissy. Whoa, pink. Oh boy. Yeah, rainbow.
It's going to rainbow.
Hey. There we go. Hey. Here's the next.
I see a small one. Look at it. Hey, look at
Here, I'll fly it over. There we go. Oh my God, guys.
There's a small one right there.
That is awesome. Whoa.
It's been 3 minutes since the fireworks.
That's pretty long.
Huh?
Ooh, orange. What's your favorite? Oh, green.
My favorite color
Hey.
is blue. And yellow.
Woo!
Pink. And yellow.
Yeah, yellow. Good job.
And then orange.
Ooh.
Red, green, purple, red.
Oh my God.
Purple. It's a meteor shower.
That's what I was thinking. Hey, come on guys. There's room for both of you. Don't fight.
Yay!
Red.
One's right there.
Ooh.
And it almost
Yeah.
has yellow. That's cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sissy, what's your favorite one?
My favorite is yellow. My
Yeah.
favorite is the red, green, and purple and pink.
Ooh, what's your favorite?
Because it has a lot of colors. My favorite color, my real favorite color is blue.
Hey, Sissy. I hear you, Kai. What's that?
My first favorite color is blue. And I
You're a good girl. You're gonna go to bed? Got it?
but the fireworks,
Careful.
my favorite fireworks color is red, green, and purple.
Ooh.
Because it has most of the colors.
Wow!
Whoa.
I like the ones that look like me at Aaron's.
I like the ones that come down like meteors.
Me too. Ooh, hi, buddy. You're back?
I see one right there. Right there.
Ooh.
Sissy. Sissy.
You saw a yellow one?
Sissy. Hey, Sissy.
Well, then she's watching the
Yellow.
fireworks. Yeah, she saw. Good
Look.
job. What color is that one? Yeah.
Bam!
Yeah.
After, Grandma's gonna fight me with the saw.
Oh my goodness.
What's it there?
Ooh, that one was a dud, I think.
Did that one even make the fireworks?
Those are my favorite.
Why does it sound
Ooh.
like it's coming from behind?
Hey,
It's
what
a-
is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink. Ooh, that was a pink
My
one.
favorite color is blue.
You had a kind of blue one.
Wow!
Yay!
Is it gonna be the great finale soon?
Yellow.
So it's gonna be the
Yellow,
finale?
Mama.
It's been 6 months.
Yellow! Ooh!
When's it gonna be
That
the
one went up
season
high.
finale? When is it gonna be the season finale?
Savor it, buddy. We waited all day to see it. Silly goose. You like the loud part? What about you, Sissy?
I don't really like the loud part. You may have an ear infection as soon as you see it.
Sissy, he just loves you so
As soon as
much.
all this is done, I might at least have a little ear infection. Whoa, did you see that one?
Yeah.
Look
Whoa!
at those.
That one went squirrely.
Whoa, it made a star.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Boom!
Why not? 2 of them went high, Dicey. 2 of them and I saw one high.
Oh my goodness gracious.
That one didn't go that high.
Ooh, that's cool.
That's a high one. Oh,
I like
that's
that
high.
door.
Those are
Whoa! I like these ones.
Yeah, me too.
Pretty good so far.
Look at this.
Yeah! Hey, buddy. Nice to see.
I'm gonna say this.
You're gonna sit with your friend, Sissy?
That one went so high.
It did go pretty high.
That
Whoa!
one didn't go that
That,
high.
I don't think that one is supposed to do that.
I don't think that one was that high. Those ones, yeah, those ones didn't go that high. Yeah, they
Wow.
They didn't go that high though.
Look how high that one went.
Oh yeah, that almost went all the way to heaven.
What's up, Sissy?
Imagine it went all the way to hell and
You
hit
want
the
a drink?
devil and right in the face.
Go,
And then
go
he
see Mommy.
died
Didn't she get
so
him for you?
fast, and he smacked himself, and then he kicked himself in the nuts. I wish he died already.
What?
I wish the devil already died.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about I wish the devil already died.
Don't worry about that stuff. It's right there. Go see Grandma. What's the matter? Oh, she wants chips. You want chips, right? Go see Grandma.
Where is she? Hey, let me see.
Right there. Right against the car. See her?
Let me see.
See Grandma with the
Let
phone.
me see.
Hold on, she's
See
looking.
Grandma right there. Look at that one went high.
take-
Let me see.
He'll take you to Grandma. She's right there.
I see her.
Okay, relax. Oh boy. Oh!
He could build big stuff. We're gonna do that. Okay, again. Tree. Look at that big tree. Look at that big tree.
That one was pretty big, you're right. There's the drones again. You see it flying up there?
Look at those stars.
Yeah.
Look at those stars.
There is finally stars.
Look at it's the white thing. Is it
Yeah.
the white thing? It's those 2 white things.
Yeah, that's a star. But their drone is green, I think. There it is. see it flying in the fireworks?
Did it get hit by the fireworks?
No. It's record. Oh!
I see.
You saw it? It's recording which fireworks.
You're green.
Yeah. It records what fireworks.
And you're red.
Yeah.
And
What is it recording?
It's recording which ones are failing, which ones are working, how high they go up.
They're not going that high. Most of them aren't going that high. Oh my God, Mom. That's a
Oh, Ina, what the hell?
Hey!
Wow.
Hey, 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 hey!
I see
Dropping
the
the
zone.
double HE
I
out.
see the zone. Right there. I saw a green dot.
You did, that's the drone.
Where is it now?
Oh, there it is. Oh, see it? Look up in the fireworks right now. See it?
Get it.
Yeah. Ooh, that was purple and pink. I like that one.
I like it.
After
Ooh.
I'm gonna fight someone with my lightsaber.
Why do you keep saying after? Ooh, that was a heart. Enjoy it, bud.
It was a heart.
Yeah.
I didn't see that one. Did they create a heart?
It kind of looked like a heart when it exploded.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
Where's the drone?
Guys, everyone find the drone. Everyone try to find the drone.
Everyone trying to find the drone. I see it, I think. Oh, no, I got it.
Ooh, purple and green, that was Hulk.
Whoa.
Here guys, not right now. We're watching the fireworks, okay? You can't right now. Watch the fireworks, okay?
Look at the
Oh.
fireworks.
You can't even have
Oh. No fighting while the fireworks are on, okay?
You cannot. I still think you can do it.
Easy, easy, boys. Relax and enjoy it. Hey, 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 hey! Firework time! Please stop. They're right over there.
Where's the drone?
I don't know, buddy.
Whoa.
I don't know, boo.
That's not the great drone.
That's cute.
How long has it been?
That's cute.
14 minutes?
Down.
Wait a second.
Yes,
I
14
knew
minutes.
it. I knew it.
Your daddy?
My mommy, daddy.
Hold on, buddy. Here, get up for a second to see.
Wow.
Let's look. Do you know where his parents are? Do you know where his parents are? What the?
I'm gonna send my mommy.
We'll be right back, buddy. Let's go sit and watch. Here, sit on the blanket. Good, Kai Kai. Good job. They'll be right back. She'll be right back. She's doing her makeup in the car.
You pick me up.
Not right now, boo. I'm trying to watch the fireworks. We waited all day for him. They'll be right back.
That kind of looked like stuff. Kind of looked like probably Japanese and Chinese.
Really?
Leaving. Come on. It's time to go. You guys gotta go to Daddy's. I'm done.
Bye, Kai. Love you.
Bye, Emily. Love you.
Sit? Okay. You can sit. Whoa!
Colton, come on. We're leaving. Say bye.
Dang, that was pretty good. Oh, fuck, I missed in the side.
How's it been 20 minutes?
17. Bye, love you.
Beat all these people.
I know, I can't believe they park like that. Here comes the madness. Whew. That wasn't bad. Parked right in front of the fucking driveway. People everywhere. People are brutal. They can't even get out. This is my mom's driveway. Look, people just walking through our lawn. This is why people that actually live in the village don't want the fucking fireworks. No disrespect. Look, just walking right through our lawn. I'm just trying to watch these fireworks, so I stay in my son's space. They don't have anything nice. People are just jerks. Can't believe they parked in our driveway, like blocked it so none of us could get out. Ugh, annoying. I'll be here for like another half hour at least. I'll show you the people. All the people still fucking coming. That's our driveway right here. Can't leave. This is my Hannah is being brave with her brand new babies. Here we go. We already got a park war going. We already got in a giant family drama earlier. This is the last year I'm ever coming to the shits. Don't have anything nice. Look at my mom. She's fucking crazy. Mother bearing it. Mother bearing husband. People just hopping on a firework. People just won't let the townspeople out. Like, this is our own driveway. People don't give a fuck. Look, people walking. They're just gonna plow through them. They don't give a fuck. Look at this, Hannah's still trying to get out, and these people won't even stop and wait. Nobody has respect. Everybody's in a fight. Everyone's in a hurry. That's New York for you. It's old, it's tired. Don't fucking come here. At least the last fireworks I attended was a good one. As far as the fireworks show. I will not be doing the shit show again. And they're still coming. Like hordes. So if you're a pedestrian of this town and you need to get to work on fireworks night, look what they have to deal with. And this is a free service this town offers. And this is the shit that the locals have to put up with. How long would it take them all to stop to let one person out that lives here when they just got a free show in this town? You'd think that would, you know, be something people would consider. Not in it, not this world. You have to think about other people? Oh my God, no. Just walking on the lawn. Free shows won't even let the locals out. Bye! Finally. How long did that take? Dickholes.